Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop that I'm SilynthiaBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, I will link a couple of other ladies that I did join a collaboration to support their channels. All right, what are we doing today? Well, we're going to go ahead and stuff our high priority and our weekly expense envelopes to try to get us going through this week. I wanted to switch over my binder, but I think I'm going to try to figure that out off camera, just because I'm not certain what I really want to do yet. So in the meantime, let's just jump right in. I do need to count up what we're stuffing because I spent money before I made it home. I took my children to Waffle House. We haven't been there in so long, but I figured there was my regular pay from my part-time job. I got money from Etsy, and then also I won a giveaway of $20. And I think it was really cool because Journey to Wisdom and Wealth was so excited to say my name. So I was like, yay! So yes, so because I had a little bit of extra money, I think I got a little bit arrogant thinking that I had it to spend. But, you know, that's neither here nor there. It's done now. But we need to count up what we're stuffing. I do have my budget next to me, so I'm just going to have to tweak it and make it work. All right, so let's see. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80. $5, $10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we're stuffing today $405. And so I want to thank Tara for having that giveaway and picking me as the winner. She did spin a wheel. And there was so many awesome channels on there. I was like, oh man. But I'm glad that my name got chosen. Even though, you know, I did not make very good choices in terms of already where I'm at. That $20, well, I think I spent $34 at Waffle House. That could have went to something else. Could have went to savings challenges. But I don't want to be in that frame of mind where I'm only saving and doing absolutely nothing, having no other fun. I want to make sure I'm still having fun. But let's go ahead and see what we can do here. Let me put 280 to rent. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. I think that's a good solid number. And that means I just need a little bit more to go. So that's 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 960. I want to make sure I know that's what I have. I'm going to write it down next to me, not just leave it on the calculator because it's going to disappear. So just need a little bit more for next week. I have one more paycheck. Sorry, I was checking my calendar. I have one more paycheck, and so that should help me out quite a bit. Utilities, let's go ahead and put, I think I want to put 20 in there. No, how about this? Because I still have another paycheck. I'm going to go ahead and put $10, but I'm going to take 20 and put 10 back. Let's try that. Because I do want to put some money to savings. And then also, I have something else I want to share with you. I have to get some things off my chest today. No, I'm kidding. All right, internet, we're going to go ahead and add $22. I know that's what I need to complete this one. 21, 22. Because this bill does need to be paid the week of Christmas. So I want to make sure we have it. 20, 40, 60, 71, 72. All right, and then coming up, phone bill, that one was fully funded. That money needs to go into the account as well. We have 11 bucks there. This is the same company, just their the bill cycles are separate. I was thinking about transferring it to one envelope, but since the the cycles are different. I don't know. Anyway, 20 bucks. No, $10 going into car insurance. $10. All right, so we'll do the same thing here. Take these 5s and add a 20. And then if I have way too much, then I can come back through my bills if I feel it's absolutely necessary. Subscriptions is getting 0 because it's fully funded. Actually, it's actually overfunded. So memberships, we're going to add, I think we wanted to add $5. Yes, we want to add $5. And I think, let's just take the 10 because we might need the, I don't even know if that's necessary. Anyway. And then I have my savings challenge, which I'm working on in the back there. And I do want to try to get as much of that taken care of today as I possibly can, so I can pull that money out. All right, let's get some weekly expenses taken care of today. Now, we're going to come back to mommy. Gas is getting $20. Okay. Household getting $10, 5, 10. You know what? I have a 20 there. I'm not certain I'll be able to. Yeah, we'll just leave it. Okay. Household, and then pets is getting $10. And I haven't added my kiddos back into rotation yet, just because Christmas, I did buy a few other gifts for them, and I think I may actually get a few more. They're just like small little games or things that they can do together. There was an art project that I got, and so anyway, there was a couple of other things that I was just spending, you know, my spending money on, and then if I had any cash left over, so there's that. So my kiddos are not back in rotation. That was my point. Oh gosh. So let's see, mommy guess. Household, pets, kiddos. Okay, laundry. Laundry is getting, supposed to get 10, but I don't want to put those $2 bills in there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Laundry's getting $8. Okay, that works for me. And my dog is banging at near my door because she's wanting some food or water or something. I will be right back. So sorry about that, you guys. My puppy will not, she's not a puppy. She's older than a puppy. She's like 3 years old or something. I don't even know for sure, but she'll keep banging on the door. And I can hear her getting closer and closer and louder and louder. All right, so this was a freebie from SilynthiaC Budget Creations, which is linked down below. You still have an opportunity to grab it if you're interested in doing so. There will be a new one in January. We already completed this one here, and in total between both of these savings challenges, I have $60 here. Can you believe that? 60 bucks. And so what I need to do is I need to finish this savings challenge and then figure out what my next plan of action is. I have some ones for my savings challenges, my separate savings challenges. Let's see how much we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's just take, let's do that because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. And I was not able to get change. You guys, I've been struggling over here. And I won't go into details, but just know I'm fighting for my just peace of mind, and then also struggling with my lack of sleep. I went to the doctor and I'm trying to get like my vitamins in order. I'm a little bit more of an older woman, 43, so there is like a mention of perimenopause and all this stuff. But anyway, we won't go into all of that. We need to get these savings challenges completed. And let's see here. I think I'll just use my cards. I have my players cards here, right? And I think these were the lower ones. And then also there was I believe there was a misfortune in there. So, I'm not prepared. I'm like trying to stay awake. Okay, usually I'm doing much better, but let's see. let's flip 2 cards and then we'll put that money into 3, double or skip. Let's skip. Let's double it. Let's double it because I need this money. I have a plan. 2, 4, 6. Okay, and let's pull 2 more. 2, 4, 2, 4. All right, let's see. 2 more. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, $2. Perfect. Okay. I'm so glad to see this progress. I cannot get over it. Every single time I come back here and I see this money, and I'm just so proud of myself for continuing on. But that's 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. $75. $75 is what I have here. That is beyond exciting for me. So I have a couple of other goals, and I hope this really does not mix up my my videos. Maybe I should wait because I have money coming. I'm filming ahead, but I have money coming. I'm just gonna do it because I'll just explain. I'll just have to explain myself, right? Because that's where we're at right now. Sometimes we're just going to have to explain ourselves. I'm going to take this cash and put it towards my other savings challenges. So we're going to remove this money here. And we are going to take this, can you believe it, $75? We saved $75. I still have another paycheck coming, but I have things that I want to do before Christmas. So I need to definitely take care of that. And let me make sure, okay, there was no IOU. I was like, let me make sure there's no IOU. Okay, so I'm going to put these savings challenges off to the side as well. And this binder should be fine there. We're going to pull out the Christmas binder. And this, I hope this doesn't throw me off too much, but we'll figure it out, right? That's what we'll do. So I did complete this savings challenge at some point in one of my savings challenge videos. Like I said, I am filming ahead, and so there's another $10 here. So you're probably wondering, like, Silynthia, what the heck? Why are you grabbing all this money, taking all this money from everywhere? Because I have things I need to do, and I'm filming ahead when I have the money to film, because there'll be times where it's like, girl, why aren't you filming? Well, because I don't have any cash. Okay, so we're going to put this money here as well. We'll give it a final count. And then there was a couple more dollars. Yes, there was. There was a couple more dollars. Let me grab them. Okay, so I don't know if we've seen this video yet from when I completed these savings challenges. But like I said, you guys, things are happening, and I got to make these moves. I got to figure it out and keep it going. So I finished some more savings challenges, and let's add this money here. Okay, all right. So at the time I'm filming this, I know that I have a YouTube paycheck coming, but I have not received it, because that was my plan, was to record that video first to get me on track and keep me on track. But we're off the track. We're on another track. We're going to backtrack and then find a new track. That's where we're at right now. A complete mess. Just stay on the train. That's all there is to it. It's safer there. Okay. Oh, don't let me out. Okay, let's see. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have $110. Okay, so with the $110, I have to do a couple things. Okay, so first things first, I have 2 bonus children. Although you guys already know by now, I'm separated from my husband, but he has 2 older children, which clearly we're not separating. You know how that goes. Your family for life. That's just the way it is. So I have 2 bonus children, so I want to give them a Christmas card, but I want to give them $20 each in those Christmas cards. So boom, that's done. And I wish that I could do more and all of that, but I have other plans, like just taking time off and all that jazz. The next thing I wanted to do is I wanted to put $20 extra a week into my weekly payout those of you who are not up to date, I've been paying myself or setting aside money to pay myself so I can take 3 weeks off from work. And it's just to be with my kids during Christmas. So what I've done is put $20 in the first 2 weeks. I still have $159 that I owe myself for the third week. I don't have that here, but I do have plans for this cash. So this, with that YouTube paycheck, should be taken care of. We're going to go ahead and let's add $40 plus, can you even see that? 40. So now in total, 981 plus 40, 1021. I have $1,021 for my time off, which is amazing. And I will go ahead, I will count these off. I've been here already too long. I will count these off camera to make sure that each of them are set properly. But what I wanted to do was grab this Christmas envelope, which is empty at this point, and I wanted to put some money into this envelope. The reason I wanted to put some money into this envelope because I started chatting with someone and I mentioned, oh, one of the things I used to do with my mom after the day after Christmas is go to Walmart because everything's like, you know, half off or sometimes even more already, whether it's decorations or the goodies, the candy or the perfumes, the box sets, all that stuff. And I said, oh, okay, I want a couple things, so maybe that's what I'll do. I will make sure I snag some money to go the day after. I know I'm not going to have a lot. That's okay. But you see me stuff my envelopes. And I didn't put anything into my mommy envelope because I wanted to make sure that I can have the money to spend the day after Christmas. Woo. So I have 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I have $30 here. I do need to get these twos out of this envelope before I go shopping because I want to make sure that I save my $2 bills versus spending them. So far I have $30. At the time I'm filming this, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to increase that and I can go wild. That's what I want to do. And I didn't buy myself any gifts. I didn't get any gifts, anything like that. Like usually what I do is I buy gifts from my kiddos. But I think what we'll do is just, this is my gift to myself and this is the gift from my children. Like I'll go the day after Christmas, get up early, head there and bump elbows with the other after Christmas shoppers. Okay, so hopefully I can edit out whatever jazz does not necessarily need to be in this video, and we can figure out how to make this smooth in the next video, right? Because all I can do is what I can do at this point. I'm doing the best I can, you guys. I want to thank each and every one of you so much for coming back. And I appreciate you so much for watching. And especially the 12 days of Christmas. I didn't even mention it before because I wasn't certain that I could commit to it or that it would be something that would be reasonable for me to do. But this has been a tremendous experience. And hopefully I'll be able to do it again next year or figure out something. But we'll see how things go. But because you guys have been so supportive and running my videos and coming back again, some of you have even been commenting that you're running my playlist, things like that. I'm getting a YouTube paycheck coming up, and so you should be seeing that video already. But if not, you know, we'll get it together. Hopefully you will have seen it yesterday. But I want to thank you in advance. Right now, at the time I'm filming this, I just want to say thank you because I appreciate you guys. The paycheck from YouTube would be absolutely zero if you guys did not show love like you do. So thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.